Imagine this. You're standing at the border of the Schengen area, passport in hand, with the promise of 27 countries waiting to be explored. But there's one thing standing in your way, the Schengen Visa. How do you get one? What do you need? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets to making your European dream a reality. What is a Schengen Visa? A Schengen Visa allows you to travel to any of the 27 European countries that make up the Schengen area. These countries have abolished passports and other types of border control at their mutual borders, meaning you can travel freely between them as if they were one country. The Schengen Visa can be issued for tourism, business, visiting family or friends, and other short-term purposes. The Schengen Visa is a short-stay visa, typically valid for up to 90 days within a 180-day period, allowing you to explore multiple countries without the need for separate visas. Schengen Visa for British citizens. Since Brexit, British citizens are no longer part of the EU, which means they need a Schengen Visa for stays longer than 90 days within a 180-day period in the Schengen area. Here's how British citizens can get a Schengen Visa. First, identify the type of visa you need based on your purpose of travel. Common types include tourist visas for sightseeing and holidays, business visas for attending meetings, conferences, or business-related activities, and visitor visas for visiting family or friends residing in the Schengen area. Additionally, there are visas for specific purposes such as studying, attending cultural or sports events, and medical treatment. Next, gather the necessary documents. These typically include a completed and signed visa application form, a valid passport with at least 2 blank pages, and validity extending at least 3 months beyond your intended stay, 2 recent passport-sized photos, a travel itinerary including flight reservations and accommodation details, proof of travel insurance with coverage of at least €30,000, proof of sufficient financial means, such as bank statements or payslips, a cover letter stating the purpose of your visit and itinerary, and documents indicating your employment status, like an employment letter or student status confirmation. It's important to ensure that all documents are up to date and accurate to avoid any delays in processing your application. After gathering your documents, book an appointment at the consulate or visa application center of the Schengen country you plan to visit first or spend the most time in. Attend your visa appointment with all the required documents. You may be required to provide biometric data, including fingerprints and a photograph. The biometric data collection is a standard procedure aimed at enhancing security and streamlining the visa application process. The standard visa fee is €80, which you can pay at the time of your appointment. Visa processing typically takes 15 calendar days, but it can take longer during peak travel seasons. It's advisable to apply well in advance of your planned travel dates to avoid any last-minute complications. Once your visa is approved, you can collect your passport with the visa sticker affixed. This sticker will indicate the validity period of your visa and the duration of your permitted stay.
This video is sponsored by Wise, the smart way to send money internationally. Wise revolutionizes the way individuals and businesses manage international money transfers. Designed to offer transparency, affordability, and speed, Wise stands out in the crowded financial services landscape. Wise's unique system ensures you always receive the mid-market exchange rate with no hidden markups. Instead, a small upfront fee is clearly displayed before you complete the transaction, making it easy to see exactly how much you'll pay and how much your recipient will receive. Transfers with Wise are not only cost-effective, but also fast. Most transactions are completed within minutes or a few hours, depending on the destination. Their user-friendly platform and mobile app make it incredibly convenient to send money on the go. With support for over 50 currencies and the ability to send money to more than 80 countries, Wise offers unparalleled global reach. Whether you're paying for international services, sending money to family abroad, or managing business expenses, Wise has you covered. To find out more information, click the in the description and sign up today.
Schengen Visa for Nigerian citizens. For Nigerian citizens, obtaining a Schengen Visa involves a slightly more detailed process due to additional scrutiny and documentation requirements. Here's how Nigerian citizens can secure a Schengen Visa. Just like British citizens, Nigerian applicants need to decide the type of Schengen Visa they require based on their travel purpose. This could be for tourism, business, visiting family or friends, or other specific reasons such as medical treatment or attending a conference. The required documents for Nigerian citizens are similar, but often require more detailed evidence of ties to Nigeria and financial stability. These documents include a completed and signed visa application form, a valid passport with at least 2 blank pages and validity extending at least 3 months beyond your intended stay, 2 recent passport-sized photos, a travel itinerary including flight reservations and accommodation details, proof of travel insurance with coverage of at least €30,000, proof of sufficient financial means such as bank statements or payslips, a cover letter stating the purpose of your visit and itinerary, employment status documents like an employment letter or student status confirmation, proof of accommodation like hotel bookings or an invitation letter from a host, and evidence of ties to Nigeria such as family, employment or property. Providing a detailed and comprehensive set of documents can significantly increase the chances of a successful visa application. Book an appointment at the consulate or visa application center of the Schengen country you plan to visit first or spend the most time in. It's crucial to book this well in advance, as slots can fill up quickly, especially during peak travel seasons. Attend your visa appointment with all the required documents. You will need to provide biometric data, including fingerprints and a photograph. The consulate may also require an interview to further assess your application. The standard visa fee for Nigerian citizens is also €80. Be prepared to pay this fee at your appointment. Visa processing times for Nigerian citizens can vary, typically taking between 15 to 30 calendar days. During this period, the consulate may request additional documentation or information. Once your visa is approved, you will be notified to collect your passport with the visa sticker. It's important to check the visa sticker for any errors before you leave the consulate. Tips for a successful Schengen visa application. Start your visa application process well in advance of your planned travel date. This allows ample time for gathering documents, scheduling appointments, and dealing with any unforeseen delays. Ensure all information provided is accurate and honest. Incomplete or misleading information can lead to delays or denial of your visa application. In some cases, you may be asked to attend an interview. Be prepared to answer questions about your travel plans, financial situation, and ties to your home country. Include all necessary documentation and ensure it is up to date. This demonstrates your preparedness and seriousness about your travel plans. Providing evidence of strong ties to your home country, such as employment, family, or property, can help reassure the consulate that you intend to return after your visit. Additionally, having a clear and detailed travel itinerary, including confirmed flight and accommodation bookings, can strengthen your application by showing that you have planned your trip carefully. Common pitfalls to avoid. Ensure your application is complete and all required documents are included to avoid unnecessary delays. Provide clear evidence of sufficient funds to cover your trip, including bank statements and proof of income. Present a clear and detailed travel itinerary, including flight and accommodation bookings. Make sure your travel insurance meets the Schengen requirements, with coverage of at least €30,000. Avoid submitting outdated or incorrect documents, as this can lead to delays or rejection of your application. It's also crucial to adhere to the visa conditions during your stay in the Schengen area. Overstaying your visa or violating the terms of your visa can lead to serious consequences, including fines, deportation, and difficulties obtaining visas in the future. Always ensure that you understand and comply with the specific rules and regulations of the Schengen visa to enjoy a hassle-free travel experience. Navigating the Schengen visa application process might seem daunting, but with the right preparation and understanding, it can be a smooth journey. Whether you're a British citizen longing for a European adventure post-Brexit, or a Nigerian citizen eager to explore the cultural richness of the Schengen area, this guide equips you with the essential steps and tips to secure your visa. Now that you know the basics, it's time to gather your documents, book that appointment, and get ready for your European escapade. Who knows what incredible experiences and memories await you on the other side? From the historic streets of Rome to the vibrant nightlife of Berlin, the Schengen area offers a plethora of experiences that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Safe travels.